really hard to be there continuously working 14, 15-hour days. It's really hard to stay positive about our community.
So we do walk into work facing the unknown. We're battling an invisible monster here. It's come to a point where we walk into our shifts feeling defeated.
Like me, for myself, I'm scared. I have asthma. I have people that have half a heart, half a lung, diabetes, and it's very generous to actually see the community coming together and actually showing appreciation for people as myself.
Coming into work, not seeing our patients get better, seeing death after death, beds getting filled, rooms getting filled, we feel helpless. We want to be able to provide care to our community safely, knowing that our community is doing the same for us.